RJC Explores.
I'm exploring with Kev.
We've just come from down here. There's a little building there, but we can't get in that. It's all boarded up. And just behind that, you see this. So we're come to have a little investigation. Look as though it's being used. It's boarded up. We can have a peek about. What? There's your angle. Old farm buildings and stuff. Yeah. It's like some of the other places done, isn't it? That's where they've had all the straw and hay in, feeding the livestock. What a nice little farm. Oh.
Quite big, actually.
Look. Got them, well. I've seen quite a few places. I love places like this.
Yeah.
I love it. That's not been used for a long time, I know that much. Okay, look, there's a house at the back here.
What?
There's a house.
Really?
Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh well. Weren't expecting that, huh? Oh well, look at that. I didn't bring my gimbal, did I? Never mind. Look at that, the old water thing. That's proper neat, that. I like that. Oh well. Oh no, look at the old switch as well. There in the corner. Well, Kev. I wasn't expecting to see that.
No.
Right, so we've got the fire.
This is very unexpected.
Gonna have a look at the house. Look at that. Right. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Can't get in one, but then find this. Oh well. What? Are we just going to go in through the window like we always do?
Or should we actually look round this time?
Well, I'm going into the window. Yeah.
People have been here, haven't they?
Yeah. Didn't know this was here, man. This is. Right. Put the chuck to that. Right, here we go. Right.
Yeah.
So yeah. Couldn't get in the first one because it's all boarded up, which was a keeper's cottage. But then this. So yeah.
Look at this one, yeah.
I'm sure what the barns to do. Look at that one. There's that. Oh look. We'll see.
Oh yeah.
Still SEA.
Not many places we go have still got a sink in it.
No. No water though. Man.
What was that, a stove?
What? It's like an old boiler.
Is that an old boiler?
Yeah, it's the old boiler. Could have been on there. Oh, man. Got my torch this time.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, I found the toilet as well.
I found the stairs.
Oh look, and there's a doorway.
What's this bit then?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's like a bit of a courtyard, isn't it?
we could have got through that way, look.
What's that?
It's another building. It's part of the barn, I think.
That's where we come from over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the water tank.
Oh yeah.
Built in a...
It's a nice little find, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm proper chuffed with that.
I like the way it's overgrown, you know.
Yeah, it's cool.
Look at that.
That is pretty cool. Alright, so look at that. Good padlock. Padlock on the door. Right now. Right.
Toilet.
Now look at those stairs, man.
This is like, do you remember that place where it had like a little had like a castle?
Yeah.
We tried to fly the drone, but the drone wouldn't fly or something.
Well, I'll go up there now. I'm just going to scout round. No, look at this. They look a bit more secure than the other building we were in.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that.
Wow.
Man. There's a bit of weight there, a bit of scrap there. That's still quite nice though.
Yeah. So it is a fireplace, isn't it?
Yeah. We should have gone in there.
Yeah. Right. Ginger beer. What date has that got on it? April 21.
No.
That's quite recent. It's only last year.
Yeah. Colour.
Good bluey colour.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Yeah.
Still shelves in there. Little cupboard. Quite, whoa, it's quite a fair sized cupboard.
What?
That paint peel.
Wow. Oh, wow.
No, let's fuse box.
Pantry, innit? Some leaves.
Right. Hole.
What I like about it as well, Kev, is that it's not been totally trashed.
No.
Well, it doesn't seem to be,
I don't think many people actually know this is here.
No, because we didn't know it was here.
No, this is quite hidden. I like this.
Yeah. Wow.
I think it's naturally trashed, if that makes any sense.
Well, this has got a bit of a...
Oh yeah, completely, yeah.
Well, I love jam. Oh, Jamie. This is jam. Man. Look at that. Still got the...
Probably a lot of local kids come here to do, yeah. I won't say no.
But they ain't trashed it.
No.
It's still... Do you know what I mean? The fireplace is still there.
Quite hollow. Oh, it's a bit wobbly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Might be someone buried under there, you don't know.
Can't believe this is just left, man. The window, the metal frames.
See, I like a house like this out of the way.
Yeah.
A little wood round it and all.
It's really weird because the place we went to, Keeper's Cottage, all sealed up. Then behind that, there was like an old Stanton shelter, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like a bunker. What looks as though like pipe works to the building that's gone. We saw like the barn, headed down here, and then this is it. It's really weird. I wonder if there's anything else out there, but anyway. What is that? Is that the lampshade?
Looks like it.
Man, look at that.
That's a lampshade, isn't it?
Yeah. That psychedelic orange, man.
How old do you think that is?
I don't know. 60s, 40s, no. Psychedelic 60s, isn't it? The house looks like it's been empty quite a long time though, but I quite like that. It's different. Alright. Up the stairs, isn't you?
Yeah.
Mate, look at the wallpaper.
Beautiful flowers.
Right.
God, a bit dusty. Oh, it's steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
God.
Man.
Oh, wow.
You'll be a little bit careful on the floor. It's not as bad as the other one we're in.
No. Looks like someone's kicked that in,
There's
doesn't
that
it?
wallpaper again. It's the wattle and daub. Oh.
There's a hole there.
No. What? Look at that.
Oh, that is.
That is weird. Of all the things to come up,
We've never come across a birdcage.
it's just weird that it's still here. How bizarre is that?
And there's a water bottle, still water in it.
There's the feeder.
You don't think someone brought a bird here, then just let it go there, do you?
Right.
That's what it looks
Look,
like.
it's you've got the little bell still on it.
Ding, 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 ding. It's got another little walk in there, hasn't it?
Man, that is bizarre. I wouldn't just leave that there where it is, man. What a great thing.
Floor's a bit spongy here. Look at that. Oh wow. I love where it is though. The wood around it.
Oh, it's got all snowdrops there and everything, man. This is really weird. It's just like. And that's even weirder. That's just being there, man. That's cool though.
For the floor.
Isn't it?
The window, look.
I know the window that comes through. I suppose that's to let. I don't know. Weird that it's there, isn't it?
Ceiling's quite low, isn't it?
Yeah. And the doors are quite low. The frames. Look at the frame. Man. Starbursts. Oh, I love this place. It's quite. I'll latch on the door.
Houses are definitely better made back then than what they are now. An old light switch.
Brings back the old farmhouse, isn't it?
Yeah, this one might have to be a bit careful.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
There's another room there, no?
Cool, then.
There you go.
The other house, I was the first one to go. I think you should go really soon, you know.
Oh.
That's alright. Safe as houses, mate. It says.
Oh. Yeah. Feels a bit.
That's alright.
The wood one.
Yeah. It's really weird the setup of this house, and you come through one room to get into another room.
See, daylight.
Oh.
Just felt this bouncing.
Consider it's in good nick. Well, it's in relatively good nick compared to that other one room.
Yeah.
Just trying to see anything else out there. I think this is all like keepered land.
It's a nice little find though.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it at all. Oh, yeah.
The floors up there do feel a bit dodgy. I've been in this one, haven't
Love that wallpaper. Man. Look at that. Back when people did wallpaper.
Huh?
I've never wallpapered in my life. Never done it. Man.
Neither have I actually. I think I'd just stick to paint.
But that's a psychedelic colour. That's like a luminous green, isn't it? It's definitely like 60s. It's got to be like 60s. Right?
Same colour as your top.
That's a very important top, that, you know. Don't know how I've still got it on, really, but there you go. Oh. We come this way, we come through.
It's still on its hinges and all.
Look at the colour underneath that white paint.
Yeah. Someone sneezed on, isn't it? Okay.
Right. This is the sort of house I've got to have a feeling there's like something buried here or something secret, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at the floor, man. The floor is like luminous, like yellow and black.
Yeah.
Look at that. Do you know what I'm saying? I've got just why do I have this feeling that there's something.
We've been through this, haven't we?
There's something buried here, something. Do you know what I mean?
It is strange that it's tucked away.
I keep thinking like there's going to be a tile loose, and underneath the tile there's going to be like gold. You know what I mean?
That one's part of a single fan or toilet.
Whoa. Alright, let's go and have a... Of course it won't, it's sinking it. See. Oh, right then.
That must be an old people thing. My dad does that.
What?
Puts that stuff down.
Yeah.
On the shelf.
I think I remember my parents did more of that, I think. Paint a psychedelic colour, isn't it?
Look at that pink.
Yeah, it's definitely, it's got to be like 60s, man. I like that little team.
Oh, it's a toilet, this is.
This was the toilet, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
look.
Alright. Is that the second toilet?
There's a toilet here. What's the one upstairs? Well, maybe this was the toilet and bathroom. Or something.
Oh, I don't know, man.
I reckon it's a toilet and bathroom, I do.
Right.
Yeah, look like there's a bath here.
What?
I reckon there's a bath here.
Yeah. There's a tile, yeah. Got to be in it.
Yeah.
Cool. Cooker. That's the guy in the kitchen. Right. Going out. Come back and do some pictures in a little while. We'll go and look at this barn, Kev.
Yeah.
What's this?
What's that?
I don't know. It's just...
A little shed thing, isn't it? This place is full of surprises. Whoa. It's got a bloody fireplace.
Oh. Different? This had water in it, innit? And stuff.
This has got like a horror movie feel to it. Look.
Yeah. This... See, that's bricked up there. Old window frame there. And if you look down in there, it's got a little like pulley.
Oh yeah.
This was pumping. See what I mean?
It's got a pipe that goes up there.
Yeah. So that's that pumped water through. Or what? Oh, look at that.
What?
You see?
What?
Look. What's that?
Oh!
Told you, man. That's weird.
What animal was that?
It's got big claws in it.
Cat?
I'm thinking a cat, but
Do you think it was a cat?
it's a dog.
A dog?
Okay, it's a dog.
Why would there be
Look
a
at his
dog in
head.
here? Oh yeah. Do you think it's someone dumped here or what?
I don't know.
How long do you think that's been here for?
Long time. It's not mummified. Don't know, man.
It's weird, isn't it?
Mate, that's like a table. That was a table.
Yeah, what's covering sign?
Yeah, all right.
This is weird.
What's in that bit?
It's like a cage. Some sort of cagey thing. You might know.
Mate, that's got to be the sink.
Oh yeah.
That's yellow. Yellow psychedelic sink.
Bit dusty.
What's in there?
It's got like a cage thing there if you have a look. You have a look. It's alright for people like Warwick.
No, this is like another house, like a separate house. So it's got electricity. There's a switch there.
A house.
Yeah, it's like a little separate. Do you know what I mean? You had the house there, and this was another one, like a separate one. Do you know what I mean?
It's very small, isn't it? Cool.
So I'm putting that as like another separate little. Yeah, look.
See that?
It's like an old. Yeah, look, it's got an electric box in there. It seems like another house keg. Mate, I'll move that. Look.
Just want to dust off the camera.
Old bottles there now. UK registered design. Oh, onwards and upwards. There we are. What's this bit then? This the oh, this is different again, look.
This is the barn bit.
Going in, people. Go. Struck gold. Black oil. Texaco.
Yeah.
How cool are they? Got black gold here, boy. Something called oil, isn't it?
A carb on it, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's the rest of the car though? Man. Alright, so these are the barns, part of the barns. Like an old coal. So they're pigs in there then, these are pigs.
Is it?
They're pig feeders. They're sectioned off.
Yeah.
So this was for pigs. Ooh.
Well, this is
There as
pigs
well,
too.
yeah. Yeah, old pig feeders. Look at that for an old washing up. Concentrated washing up, look.
There they are.
Tesco's concentrated washing up liquid. I don't think we're getting out though. Might be able to. Yeah. Right, so into here. That's where we started. We're coming over there.
Yeah.
Into the house. Through here. Yeah, I bet this was a nice little farmyard when it was all going. Right, so into this then, Kev. Yeah. Our visions are getting stuck then. There we go.
Got to try and get through it. Oh.
Okay. More. Right. Kev, come here, man.
What the hell?
Well, we just come in, we've just seen one that's a dead dog. Look at that. That's another dog. They're like Jack Russells. It's a small Jack Russell. But that ain't all, Kev.
Another one.
Look. Oh, this place is weird, man. You can see that, people.
It's weird.
That's the third dog. It's almost like whoever's gone from here is gone and then all the animals have died.
Yeah.
That's been left.
It seems like.
No, that's proper sad. Maybe waiting for their owner that never came home. You know what I mean? Well, this is the house of mummified dogs. That's the title one. That's what I'm going to give it. Just sad that they're here. No, it's 3. There's 3 dogs now. Well, we still haven't got in the barn, have we?
Oh, there's a big hole there.
I've got to go back through again now, haven't I? Steps. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a mission. Shoot. We do this again. That's redone. That's recent.
Huh?
Is it weird how the roof has all been redone?
Yeah.
We'll go back there.
I'll go back car in a minute.
Huh?
The battery's running low on the camera.
I want to get the barn in because I don't know how much data I've got left. I'm going like half hour already. Right. So it's took the time to put a new roof on all of this.
Yeah.
Right, so just the barn to do. Which you ain't getting in that way.
Yeah.
Oh mate, that's gonna be rank. All this sludge and all this stuff would have gone out. There's only one way in, Kev. And that is through the door. Oh.
Yeah, that roof does look new.
Brand new roof. So maybe they're going to try and put this into a house or something?
It's going to be a big house.
Even quite a few barns like this. Look, got new beams.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a feeling that maybe going to turn it into a house at some point.
Ah.
Pretty cool though. Found it just in time, huh? Well, what else we got? This would be where the grain store would have been at. Where the big things would have stood.
Yeah.
On there. That's what these are.
We've been in that bit, haven't we?
Plane and frame. Well, I can find the plane.
I can't even see it on my camera. There it is.
Right, this is the last one. Obviously still using. Well, look at the old pram.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Right. Not expecting that to be in there. Yeah, it's just keepered land, so this is where they're getting the feed for the birds and pheasants, man. So they still use this a little bit. Well, that's pretty neat. Anyway, what do you reckon's happening here?
That is a nice one, that is. And how's that back?
Yeah. Didn't expect that. There's nothing else there, is there? That's it. Nice little explore done. You leave it there?
Yeah, I think that'll be it.
So that's RJC Explores.
And exploring the cab.
And yeah, we've had a good time doing this one. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like that on our journeys and travels. We've been out for a while, so it's good to get back out. I shouldn't be playing like this. So yeah, all good. Catch you later, peeps. Take care.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.